This year in sixth grade, we're going to be practicing a skill referred to as close reading. And it's a skill we're going to be working on in ELA, but we want you to make sure that you're applying it to your science and your social studies text. Today, we're going to look at applying it to one of the close reading strategies to your science homework. The first step you want to take is to go and look at these questions at the top of the chapter. These questions are going to be the answers to these questions will be what they want you to learn from the chapter. As you can see, I have underlined, circled, starred those, whatever strategy you would like to use, but I need to remember that those are the most important things, and so I put some area of emphasis around them so that I know that they're important. The next strategy I'm going to use is to skim the text. Before you get really into reading the text carefully, you want to go through and quickly look through the text to see what is the topic you're reading about, and get a general idea before you go back and read a little more closely. There are 3 strategies we'd like you to try when you're going through your text to pull out the important vocabulary, which in most textbooks is going to be in bold type. The first thing you can do is you can highlight. So I can highlight the word plane, and I can highlight its definition. Another strategy I can do is I can also underline and one of the other strategies we'd like you to try is to rewrite the definition in your own words. If you can rewrite the definition in your own words, then you should have a good understanding of what that concept is. So for example here, a plain is a landform made up of nearly flat or gently rolling land with low relief. And in my own words, I could say it's a flat area of land. Another strategy I can do is to draw a picture, and in this case, I might just draw a straight line, to remind myself that a plain is flat land. On this page, if I need to know, remember what a mountain range is, a group of mountains, I can draw a group of mountains to help me remember what a mountain range is. And I can do the same thing with plateau, a landform that has high elevation and more or less level surface. You could say a plateau. Say a plateau looks like a table. This will help me remember that concept. One of the most important things to remember while you're reading is if you come across something that you don't understand, that you make note of it, to ask questions about it in science the next day. This is where you can write something about reminding yourself to ask Mrs. G because you didn't understand this. This is something that she can go over in class, and you can bring up your question that you had while you were reading.